Hello everyone, today we're going to be installing Grav on our server. In this tutorial we'll go over the installation of the core Grav CMS with the admin plugin. Before we can dive into the installation process, we need to have a web server handy running PHP 7.1.3 or higher. Ideally, you'll want to have access to the server's file system either directly or remotely through a solution like cPanel or FTP. You can also install Grav using the server's command line. Additionally, some hosting providers even provide a one-click installation option through their service that takes care of the whole process for you. Check with your hosting provider to see if that's an option for you. Let's start by going over the different types of Grav packages you can install. You can choose the Grav with admin package, which will give you everything you need to get started with Grav. You can also pick up a skeleton package, which gives you core Grav as well as a theme and styled pre-installed demo content and more. For advanced users that prefer to live in the command line, you can install Grav by itself without any need of using an admin whatsoever. The initial installation process for all three of these options is very much the same. In this video, however, we'll stick to installing the core Grav and admin package. The first method of installing Grav we'll cover involves unpacking a zip file into your server's file system. You can do this directly through your operating system's file manager, or if you have access to the server's file system through a portal like cPanel or an FTP client, you can do it there as well. Step 1 is simple. Just download the Grav plus admin package from getgrav.org. You can find the latest version of Grav by hitting the Download Grav button on the homepage and then selecting Grav Core plus admin plugin. Once you select the Grav Core plus admin plugin link, you will download a zip file containing everything you need to get started. The next step is equally simple. Navigate to the web root of your server and upload the zip file where you would like your Grav installation to reside. Then, extract the zip file. You should have a folder named grav-admin containing several directories and other files. You can rename this directory or move its contents to a specific location within your server. Just be sure to also move the htaccess file, as it's important to Grav and is hidden by default on many file managers. Your server-side work is done here. All you need to do now is open your browser and navigate to your new Grav site and set up the administrator. You should see a page like this, with fields for your username, email address, and password. Filling these out will create an administrative account for your site. This account will be how you log in and make changes in the Grav's admin, so we advise keeping the username and password memorable but not easy to guess. Once you've done this, your Grav site is ready to go.